Hi, I'm Daragh O'Leary and I'm an Irish Research Council PhD candidate here in University College Cork, and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about doing a PhD here in University College Cork. While doing a PhD in UCC, you'll receive a wide range of support from faculty members and some of their connections at other universities. They'll help you with your researching skills, with media dissemination and making professional contacts at international academic conferences. Doing a PhD is far more than being sat at your desk. You'll meet people at international conferences, symposiums, and even meet each other for coffee breaks. While doing a PhD here in UCC, you'll work with top supervisors within your academic field. This will help you with your written, communication and research skills, which will prove of immense value to you in your later professional career. During your time as a researcher here in UCC, you'll be encouraged to publish your research findings in academic journals, in media outlets, and also disseminate them by presenting them at international conferences. While many PhD researchers here at UCC will look to continue their careers in academia, many students go on to work in a wide variety of different careers in industry. I hope you found that informative. That's everything you need to know about doing a PhD here in University College Cork. For any further information, please just visit the link below.